If you're over 60 and waking up stiff, weak, or unsteady, it's not because your age is catching up with you. It's because your muscles never fully recovered overnight. Every single night, your body breaks down muscle tissue. That's normal. It's how your metabolism stays running. But after 60, your body struggles to turn muscle building back on in the morning. There's one food, one simple morning habit that flips that switch instantly. It turns your breakfast into a muscle building signal that stops overnight breakdown and wakes your strength back up, even if you don't exercise. Today, you'll discover the morning protein fix seniors around the world are using to stay strong, stable, and energized throughout the day. We need to start with something most seniors never hear from their doctor. Your morning meal determines whether your body loses muscle or rebuilds it. After 60, your muscles become less sensitive to protein. Scientists call this anabolic resistance, meaning you need more protein at once to activate muscle growth. Most breakfasts, they give you nowhere near enough. A slice of toast, a banana, a bowl of cereal, a cup of coffee, those foods don't wake up your muscles. They don't shut off overnight breakdown. They don't lower your morning cortisol, but Greek yogurt does. It is the perfect senior breakfast because it contains leucine, the amino acid that turns on muscle building, casein plus whey protein, the ideal combination for steady recovery, probiotics, better digestion, less inflammation, slow energy, preventing shakiness and balance issues, high calcium, crucial for muscle contractions and leg strength. This video will show you exactly why it works, how much you need, what mistakes to avoid, and how to build a perfect morning routine that actually supports your muscles. Why the morning is the number one time seniors lose muscle. Let's take a look at what your body is doing between midnight and sunrise. When you sleep, you're fasting. No calories, no protein, no nutrients coming in. So your body keeps itself alive by breaking down stored tissue, mostly muscle. This is normal. But after 60, the rate of breakdown becomes faster, and the rate of repair becomes slower. Here's why mornings hit harder at your age. 1. Cortisol peaks between 4 and 7 a.m. Cortisol is helpful. It wakes you up. But a high cortisol also increases muscle breakdown. If your first meal doesn't lower cortisol, breakdown continues. 2. Seniors have fewer amino acids stored overnight. Younger adults store amino acids in the liver and muscles. After 60, your storage tanks shrink. You wake up running on empty. 3. Balance and strength are most vulnerable in the morning. That wobbly feeling? That's your body trying to operate with low fuel, high cortisol, and no active muscle building. 4. Anabolic resistance is highest after fasting. Your muscles won't respond to tiny amounts of protein. They need a strong trigger. Greek yogurt provides exactly that. Why Greek yogurt is the perfect breakfast for seniors. Let's break down the 4 unique reasons Greek yogurt is the ideal morning muscle fix after 60. Reason 1, it contains both casein and whey, rare. Most foods give you only fast protein, like eggs or milk, or only slow protein, like cheese. Greek yogurt gives you both. Whey, absorbed quickly, perfect for lowering cortisol. Casein, digested slowly, giving hours of muscle repair. This combination is extremely rare and extremely valuable for seniors. Fast protein equals wake up, start repairing. Slow protein equals keep repairing all morning. Reason 2, it contains enough leucine to break through anabolic resistance. Think of leucine as the on-off switch for muscle building. Your muscles simply will not start rebuilding unless you reach at least 2 to 3 grams of leucine in one meal. Here's the problem. 1 egg, 0.5 grams. 1 slice of cheese, 0.3 grams. 1 bowl of cereal, almost 0 grams. Oatmeal, 0.1 grams. Greek yogurt, 2.5 to 3 grams. Boom, switch activated. Reason 3, probiotics improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Most seniors don't absorb protein as well as they did in their 20s. Digestive enzymes slow down, stomach acid decreases, gut lining weakens. Greek yogurt increases protein absorption, reduces bloating, improves regularity, lowers inflammatory markers, supports immunity. When inflammation goes down, muscles repair faster. Reason 4. The perfect blood sugar and cortisol balancer. Eating Greek yogurt in the morning prevents glucose crashes, provides stable energy, lowers stress hormones, improves mental clarity, reduces fall risk. A calm body rebuilds muscle more effectively. Why popular breakfasts fail seniors, even healthy ones. Let's go through the most common breakfast choices and why they don't work after 60. 1. Eggs alone, not enough leucine. Eggs are great, but not as a standalone breakfast. To hit the leucine threshold, you'd need 5 eggs. No senior's doing that comfortably. Eggs with Greek yogurt? Now you have a complete meal. 2. Toast, cereal, or oatmeal. Almost zero muscle support. These foods spike blood sugar, increase inflammation, give short bursts of energy. Do not lower cortisol. Lack protein and leucine. They delay muscle repair until lunchtime. 3. Fruit alone, sugar without structure. Fruit is healthy, but fruit is not breakfast. It gives no leucine, no protein, no cortisol control, no support for muscle tissue. Fruit with yogurt is excellent. Fruit instead of breakfast is not. 4. Coffee only mornings, a fast track to muscle loss. Coffee on an empty stomach increases cortisol further. High cortisol equals more muscle breakdown, less recovery, shakiness, and weakness. Coffee is fine, but drink it with or after breakfast, not alone. Exact amount of Greek yogurt seniors need. To stop morning muscle loss, research suggests 150 to 200 grams, 3/4 to 1 cup, of high-protein Greek yogurt. This provides 15 to 20 grams of protein, 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine, calcium for muscle contractions, steady energy for 3 to 4 hours, best time within 60 to 90 minutes of waking. Past that window, muscle breakdown accelerates. Build the perfect senior muscle breakfast. Here's how to put together a clinically effective, delicious, muscle-protecting breakfast. Start with Greek yogurt, high-protein version. Choose plain, unsweetened. 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving. Add 1 or more of these boosters. 1. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Powerful antioxidants that reduce muscle inflammation. 2. Chia or flax seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce joint pain and support recovery. 3. Walnuts or almonds. Extra protein, healthy fats, and minerals. 4. Honey, ½ teaspoon. Supports cortisol balancing and steady energy. 5. Cinnamon. Improves insulin sensitivity and reduces inflammation. Optional additions for maximum muscle support. A scoop of whey protein, unflavored or vanilla. Turns your breakfast into a 30-gram power meal. A small banana. Healthy carbs that help deliver protein into muscle cells. A handful of oats mixed in. Adds fiber and slow-burning carbs without the sugar spike. Mistakes that stop muscle repair. Most seniors do these. Mistake 1. Eating too little protein in the morning. A small bowl, half a yogurt, a light breakfast. None of these turn on muscle repair. Mistake 2. Eating breakfast too late. Waiting until 10 or 11 a.m. keeps cortisol high and delays recovery. Mistake 3. Flavored yogurts. Some contain 20 to 30 grams of sugar. Additives, artificial flavoring. Sugar blocks muscle repair and increases inflammation. Mistake 4. Adding sugary granola. Looks healthy, acts like a dessert. How this morning fix reverses anabolic resistance. Every morning your body needs 3 things: a cortisol drop, a leucine trigger, A steady stream of amino acids. Greek yogurt provides all three in seconds. When seniors start this routine, they often report stronger legs, better balance, less morning stiffness, fewer sugar cravings, higher energy, improved digestion, more stable walking, easier standing from a chair. It's not magic, it's biology. Muscle loss after 60 doesn't happen because you're aging. It happens because your muscles haven't been receiving the right signals in the morning. But that changes now. Tomorrow morning, build the breakfast your muscles have been begging you for: Greek yogurt, seeds, berries, maybe a drizzle of honey. One simple, affordable habit, one powerful anabolic signal. Your muscles will feel the difference, and so will your confidence, stability, and independence. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more science-based ways to stay strong after 60. Your muscles are listening, especially in the morning.